Good morning, children. How are you? Today is your English class. So, let us start. We will start from Communicative English main course. We will start from chapter number 6, that is dogs, right? Children, do you like dogs? Say yes or no. Okay. First, we will see the exercise starter kit. What it is? Match each animal with the food it likes, right? Monkeys eat banana and rabbit eat carrot, and the cow eat grass and dog eat bone, right? You have to do in your homework, match each animal with the food it likes, right? Okay, children, before starting this chapter dogs, I'm telling a story about the dog. That dog is very greedy. One day, listen very carefully. Before chapter start, I'm going to tell one story about the dog. Listen carefully, right? One day, a dog found a bone, right? So he wanted to take bone home to eat. On his way home, he had to cross a river, and he was crossing the bridge on the river. He looked into the river and saw his own reflection. Children, are you able to understand this story? Say yes or no. Okay, I will start again. One day, a dog found a bone. What does it means? एक दिन क्या होता है, जो डॉग होता है वो क्या ढूंढता है? बोन. बोन मीन्स हड्डी, राइट? So he wanted to take bone home to eat. On his way home, he had to cross a river, and he was crossing the bridge on the river. He looked into the river and saw his own reflection. He thought he saw another dog carrying a bone. He opened his mouth to chew on the other dog. He opened his mouth to chew on the other dog bone. His bone fell into the river. The dog had lost his bone too. After his mouth to chew on the other dog, when the dog chewed on the other dog bone, his bone fell into the river. How? When the dog chewed on the other dog, his mouth opened, so the bone fell into the river. The dog had lost his bone too. So, children, are you understand? Anyone can tell the moral of the story? Okay, the moral of the story is that don't be greedy. हमें कभी लालच नहीं करना चाहिए. Okay? Okay, I am telling this story again in Hindi. One day a dog found a bone. एक दिन क्या होता है, एक डॉग बोन ढूंढता है. सो उसके बोन मिलती है और वो बोन कहाँ ले जाता है? घर, कि मैं आराम से बैठकर उसको खाऊंगा. बट जब वो रास्ते से जाता है तो एक रिवर दिखता है उसको. तो जब वो रिवर ब्रिज क्रॉस करता है तो उसको एक और डॉग दिखता है रिवर में. उसको क्या लगता है कि एक और बोन मिलेगी, मुझे और अच्छा लगेगा खाने के लिए. तो वो क्या करता है, अब जो उसका रिफ्लेक्शन रहता है वो सोचता है एक और डॉग है, तो वो उसको भौंकने लगता है. देन जो उसके पास जो खुद एक बोन होती है वो क्या होता है, रिवर में गिर जाती है. तो द मोरल ऑफ द स्टोरी इज़ दैट हमें कभी लालच नहीं करना चाहिए. ओके, नाउ कम टू द चैप्टर 6 डॉग्स. चिल्ड्रन, Children, do you love animals? Say yes or no. Okay. Children, there are many kinds of dogs. Some are bigs and some are smalls. Also, also there are tall and short dog. In all children, in all over the world, there are many breeds of dogs. Do you love animals or not, children? Say yes or no. Say yes or no. Okay. Uh, Children, never hurt the animals. Take care of animals. Anyone can tell that where his dog lives. Say, children. Anyone can tell. ओके, डॉग लिव इन कैनाल. डॉग कहाँ रहते हैं? कैनाल में. कहाँ रहते हैं? कैनाल में. ओके. मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल हैव डॉग्स इन होम एंड ही लव्स टू प्ले विथ हिम. Take care of very nicely. Give his good food to eat and make a beautiful home for dogs. It can rest and sleep in this home. Okay. Some dogs have ears that stand up. कुछ डॉग जो ईयर्स होते हैं वो खड़े होते हैं. देन सम डॉग्स हैव लॉन्ग टेल्स. किसी डॉग की जो टेल होती है वो लॉन्ग होती है. देर आर डिफरेंट काइंड्स मैनी ब्रीड्स ऑफ डॉग्स इन ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड. डॉग हेयर कैन बी लॉन्ग और शॉर्ट. डॉग के जो हेयर है वो शॉर्ट भी हो सकते हैं, लॉन्ग भी हो सकते हैं. ओके. डॉग हेयर कैन बी वन ऑफ वन कलर. डॉग एक कलर के भी हो सकते हैं और मैनी कलर्स के भी हो सकते हैं. राइट. Dogs are loving pets. Okay, dogs are loving. See the different kinds of dogs. Some are long tails, some are small tails, some are stand up ears. Then some dogs have ears hang down. Some are two colors. Some are one colors. Okay. So do you have a pet dog? क्या आपके पास dog है क्या? So take care of your pet. Be kind to your pet. Never hurt your pet. Play with your pet. Okay. Okay. This is a chapter 6, dogs. Read carefully. Listen carefully the story what I told before starting the chapter dog. Right. So okay. This is a chapter 6, dog. Children, do you know the sound of dogs? Dog sound is bark. Okay. Bark. Okay. So this is all for today. I am sending the homework in the WhatsApp. Thank you.